In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue of Google Calendar not sending notifications. If you've been missing important reminders and appointments because your notifications aren't working, you're in the right place. So let's dive into a solution that should get your Google Calendar notifications back on track. First, we need to head over to your Google Calendar, open up your browser and go to your Google Calendar homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look towards the upper right hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop down menu, and from there choose Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust and personalize various options to enhance your Google Calendar experience. Now take a look on the left sidebar of the settings page. Under the general category, you will find an option labeled Notification Settings. Click on this. Bringing up the accurate notification settings will help us ensure that everything has been set correctly to receive those crucial reminders. Within the notification settings, you'll find a section with a drop-down menu labeled Notifications. Click on this to reveal your options for how you'd like to receive reminders and alerts about your events. It's crucial here to make sure that you select either alerts or desktop notifications. Depending on your preference, alerts usually come through as pop-ups that can grab your attention immediately, while desktop notifications are the ones that appear on your screen even when you're busy working on other tasks. Once you've selected your preferred notification type, take a moment to review how they are applied to your calendar events. Ensuring that these settings are correct should help guarantee that you get alerted whenever there's an event coming up. Remember, if you're using multiple devices, it's worth checking the settings on each one, as notification preferences might not always sync across all platforms automatically. This is especially essential if you regularly switch between mobile and desktop devices. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your Google Calendar should now effectively notify you of upcoming events and meetings. If you followed along, you should no longer encounter the frustrating problem of missing out on your important dates and reminders due to missed notifications. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or like the video. Till next time, ensure you stay organized and on top of your schedule with correctly functioning calendar notifications.